Hi friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this video I will talk about the Infosys exam 2026 update, that when your exam can be happen and what are the some important things that you should note in mind. Friends, in my YouTube channel, in WhatsApp DM and Instagram, all there I am basically getting the same comment. I have completed, means exam kab hoga, when I will exam, okay. And related to the 2025 batch, I will make a dedicated video that when you can expect the result. But in this video I will just focus for 2026 batch. As you know that registration has been started and today is the last date for doing the Infosys registration. It might get extended, so whenever any update will come, I will provide. Now the main things that I want to tell you, that if you have registered properly and if it is showing that thank you for informing, means thank you for completing the application form, it means that you have registered, okay. Many of the candidates are asking that I haven't got any mail or any confirmation mail that whether I have been registered or not. So no need to worry. If it show that you have registered, then it means register. Now talking about the exam date, so what is the expected chance of the exam date? So exam date might be announced by next week, okay friends. Remember, currently 2025 batch hiring is going on 2024, so they might be taking some time, so you have to be prepared enough, because I will suggest that utilize this time properly, okay. So most probably आपका next week means after 15 हो सकता है, या next week से भी आप लोग का start हो जाएगा. But main things, utilize this time properly, okay. I have already uploaded and provided the free preparation material and complete guidelines or complete roadmap for the Infosys and how can you grab. So focus on this time and utilize the time if you are getting, okay. And I have made the detailed video related to the coding questions and the level of coding question, because you know the coding questions level will be higher. Don't compare with the TCS, Cognizant or other MNCs, okay. The level of coding question will be higher, so if you have to practice the questions basis on the DP, graph and greedy algorithm, and for the reference you can just follow our video. I have already provided you the 2025 batch shift questions, so questions will be like the same, okay. So the important point that I want to tell, that means day to day thinking that कब होगा ये सब मत सोचिए. Focus on the coding questions, practice more and more questions. It's good that you are getting time to practice, okay. And you have to be good enough, because post giving the online assessment you will have to appear for the offline assessment, and there you will be monitored regularly. So that's the thing I want to tell, that you have to be good enough to in coding and do all that things. So this is the update I want to tell you. And talking one more point related to the basically interviews and further process, what could be the further process. So let me tell you in a brief. So post means, first of all, your registration has been started and you have already completed the registration. So post registration you will be basically getting the assessment mail, and you have to basically might have to choose the slots or others. So whenever any update will come, so I will provide update here. So for the time being, just subscribe us, we'll provide all those update here, like the TCS NQT. Those who are following our channel, I have provided the coding questions and preparation material, interview experience. So all those stuff will be coming here, and I'm also planning to come with one of the candidates who have been selected for the role, okay. So you can subscribe us. The main things I want to tell, that for post registration you will be having online test and you will have to solve 3 coding questions, and after that if you will able to solve at least 1.5 or 2 coding questions, you will be shortlisted for offline. Again, it completely depends on the performance of other candidates and the requirement of Infosys, but yeah, mostly if you will solve the 2 coding questions, you will be in safe zone, and you will have to basically appear for the offline test, and you have to appear there. And अगर आप वहाँ पर एक coding question भी कर लेंगे, then there is higher chance of getting the 6.75. 2 coding question कर लेंगे तो 11, and if you will solve the 3 question, then you might get 18 or 21 LPS. So that again completely depend on your luck and other the effort you are basically putting. So post that you will be getting interview. It might be on the same day or it might be on the next day. You have to prepare all those points simultaneously, okay. And soon friends, other company hiring like the Cognizant and Accenture and other hiring will be announced. So whenever any update will come, I'll provide all those update here. So I hope now your doubt is clear. When will your exam, what are the things you should keep in mind, and कोई भी query feel free to ask here. I am always here to help you. We can connect on LinkedIn, Insta, Facebook or whatever platform you are comfortable with. You can ask the query, okay, and I will try to reply as soon as possible. So just join our WhatsApp or Telegram group so that you will get all those updates there, and you will get the free preparation material there. So I have created a dedicated WhatsApp group for Infosys, so you can join. Hope informative to you. Please like and support us. मिलते हैं next video में. Thank you.
Cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Yo, I got a lot of shit to say, so I'ma do this every day. I'll be writing things until I'm fucking buried in my grave. 6